Welcome back viewers. In this video we will do the installation of desktop in one of the containers. So we have got three options for the container, that is the Fedora Rawhide, Ubuntu 22.10 rolling release and the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So what we will do is we will install say KD desktop in this Fedora Rawhide. So for that what we will do is we will open the terminal. Terminal is already open. Yes. Now let us go at the bottom. So we will install a D blend install -kde, and we have to specify the distro name. So let us specify Fedora Rawhide and press enter. So this it is telling it is not available. So let us try to do installation within Arch container only. We have already installed the Arch container. Or what we can do is let us open, maybe we can open the Flatpak. Let me go back. Okay. What we'll do is let us first install some package. Say let us install VLC in Rawhide. So we use this command first to enter the Rawhide, or what we do, let me check. Okay. Blend install package -d Fedora Rawhide. Let us first create the Fedora Rawhide container. Is -d Fedora Rawhide. Okay. -d Fedora Rawhide. Yes. So this package is now getting created. That is Fedora Rawhide. And then it will install the VLC media player inside the Fedora Rawhide container. You keep a watch on this terminal. You can see the different stages of container creation. It is very interesting for the college students. So you might be having this container in your curriculum. So you can see a practical going here on the screen. Just keep watch on the terminal. So it has created the terminal using the podman. So they have configured the podman. So podman is the container manager, and it has successfully created the Rawhide container, and now it is installing some basic packages to make the container work. So whenever you install any first package for any of this operating system or the operating system containers, it will first create the operating system container, and then it will install that first uh, selected app for installation. And later on, whenever you just give the command to install any of the app, it will immediately be installed. So container will not be created every time. Only the first time the container will be created, and next time you will directly install the apps in that container by giving the install command for the packages, and at the end you will add the container name suffix, and that will be sufficient for you to successfully install the app in the required container. Beautiful. So there is no match for the VLC argument. Let us try to, okay, so VLC is not there. So what we will do is, let us try to use some other command. What we will install, hmm, let me think about rhythm box. Let us try to install rhythm box. Let us try to install rhythm box. Yes, the rhythm box is there. So it is not able to find the, so what we do is, let us do a system update. Let us do a system update first. Let us see what happens in the system update itself. Let us see. Yes, I think this will update the container also. Let us see what happens. Okay, so I think we will require to update using the sudo DNF update. Yes, so that will okay, okay. Now I got how to do sudo DNF update. So that will update the Fedora Rawhide container. Okay. So we'll just do a DNF update. So that will update the container. Nothing to do. Dependency is resolved. Okay. Let us try to do a upgrade. Sudo DNF upgrade. Okay, it is telling don't use sudo. Okay. Let us see what happens. Now I think we should, or what we do is we enter the container. To enter the container, what we have to do? Blend enter -cn Fedora Rawhide. We have to use this command. Copy, and then we will do a DNF update. Let us see. Paste, blend, enter -cn. I think it is done. Check again. Okay, so there is no dash, only Fedora Rawhide. Enter Fedora. Okay. Okay, so let us use sudo dnf install vlc. We have entered the rawhide. Now let us do the update. Sudo dnf update. Let us do the update. There is nothing to update. Let me again use this command. Paste, blend, install, vlc -t Fedora Rawhide. Let us use blend list containers. Why it is not working? Okay, what I will do is I will close this down. Let us do a freshly. Where is the terminal? To dash. List. Okay. Okay, so two containers are there. Now how to go installation? Why Fedora is not getting installed? What we will do is let us do a restart of the system. Maybe that is the issue because we are not restarted the system even once after the first login. Okay, so let us try to install a desktop in the Arch container itself. Let us do this command. We will go step by step. Blend install -d install -de kde, and we then give the name for of the container where we want to install it. Rawhide. Distro equal to Fedora dash rawhide. Let us see if this command works. Yes. So yes, now I understood the syntax of command for installation of any of the application to the container is this. So we were using some other command that was given at the top here, but this will not work. Keep this mind. I'm again repeating this command. This syntax will not work for installation of package in any of the containers. You have to use this command. Where it is? Yes. Just a moment. Yes, you have to use this command. Blend install package name space dash dash distro equal to, and equal to, you have to write the name of the distro or the container where you want to install this app. Yes, so first we will have to blend enter. First we will have to enter the Fedora Rawhide. So what happen is, yes, so we are now entered into the Fedora Rawhide. Now you have to again give the same command for installation. Blend install vlc dash space dash dash distro is equal to uh, Fedora dash raw hide. So what is the, or we can, hmm, now it is not working. Or directly, let us try direct method sudo dnf install vlc. Let us see what happens. It is not working. Rhythm box. Let us try to install rhythm box. It is not working. There is some this syntax are not working properly. Okay, blend install. Now let us try this syntax. Maybe it will now work here. Blend install. So this maybe will work when we have already entered the container, and without entering the container, you will have to use this command, blend install dash dash distro. Let us see. VLC. Let us try. No, it is not there. Don't know why it is. DNF update. Let us try to do the update. Dependencies resolve. Why it is not uh, syncing the repos? I'm wondering. Let us try to install Gim. Let us try to DNF. Let us see what happens. Error. There is error. Okay, so I will close this once. So we will get out of the Fedora container. Let us try to install the desktop in blend install install KDE. Let us see what happens. KDE is not supported. Let us try to do installation of Mate desktop. Let us see. Okay, so automatically it has chosen the Fedora Rawhide for installation of the Mate desktop as it is recommended for Mate. So there are some pre-configs done by the developers. So whenever you will try to install a Mate desktop, it will be by default installed to the Fedora Rawhide container. You have to give your password and the installation of Mate desktop in the Fedora Rawhide will start. So that's great. So whenever the system is new, even we also don't know exactly how the things work. We do a short experiment and then we make the video and present it to you. Once the system gets older, we know more about the system. You will also learn more about the system, but you have to manage like this only. So if you're in my place, you will also have to go all through this. So I'm trying to present you what happens when a new user encounters a new system like BlendOS. So here you can see the different packages that will be installed for the Mate desktop, installation of Mate desktop in Fedora Rawhide, and this has also updated and upgraded the uh, Fedora Rawhide container. You can see it here. Will also update the system. So the container operating system is always minimal. So you just got the minimal what we can say feature set or the minimal requirements to make it work, and then it is left to the user to upgrade it and configure it as he wishes. So we have to say yes. Total download size is 1.1 GB and install size will be around 3.4 GB. So many base packages for the Fedora will be installed along with the Mate desktop. So that's why the total install size will be around 3.4 gigs and download size is around 1.1 gigs. Okay, so we have successfully installed the Fedora Rawhide container and updated the system also. So now the file system is now again changed the mode from writable to the read only, and it has enabled the immunity eventually because now it has gone in the read only mode. So this is the beauty of immutable system. So I think I will close this terminal first. Now let us go and check what apps have been installed. So we had installed this Telegram desktop. That's it. No other app is installed. So in the next video, we will try to install the apps. We will do a review of the GNOME desktop, of the Arch container, and the Mate desktop of the Fedora Rawhide container, and then we will try to do some installation of apps. We already seen one installation, the app which was installed from the Flatpak, and now we will try to install the apps from the BlendOS store or the Pacman or you can say DNF store. So we have seen the Flatpak feature. Flatpaks are working perfectly in BlendOS. So I will now stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the GNOME desktop, and in the next video from that, we will check out the Mate desktop of Fedora Rawhide, and then we will do some installation of apps and those in the third video from this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.